Hello, my name is Zion. Today is Sunday and I'm doing a simple menu today. We're going to do Carne Asada along with a couple of sides. So it's going to be pretty simple, grilled Carne Asada outside, and we're going to have two sides, which will be first the cactus salad, which you can buy at your local store, depending on where you live. It's normally in a Hispanic store, and they're pre-cut. So we're going to have cactus salad, which will use fresh cilantro, fresh cut onion, fresh tomato, and normally I like to buy the tomatoes a little bit hard so that they withstand the salad, so that they keep it crisp. Also, along with the salsa, which is chirmol, which is the takeoff from a Guatemalan style salsa that accompanies the carne asada, we're going to be roasting Roma and also regular tomatoes, and then we will grill these tomatoes, and then we will pull them apart later to add fresh chopped mint and also fresh chopped onion. And also to assist in heat for the chirmol, either if you like heat, you can use as many. I use serranos, so this is what I will be using. I will put, depending on how hot I would, or according to heat, I'd probably just normally just use one or two. If you guys really like a lot of heat, then you can put more, but that's up to you guys. And for dessert, it's going to be very simple. These are called macho bananas, which meaning they're not like an American banana. These are, from my understanding, in Central America is where I learned about these bananas. So they're very ripe. You put them directly over the grill after you've done your grilling, and normally you put these on the last so that the charcoal has burned down somewhat. So then you just lay them on there, let them explode, and then you have a delicious dessert. Either you can have them with some sour cream and or queso duro, it's called. It's hard cheese. It's also a Hispanic cheese. It's very delicious. So that's what we have. So I will start this, and then we will move forward to preparing the carne asada. Here we are, we're back. Going to fire roast the tomatoes for the chirmol salsa that's going to go and accompany the carne asada. The coals are very, very hot. Not quite ready for the carne asada, but they are perfect for roasting vegetables and, or in my case, these tomatoes. We want to just really roast them. They get nice and soft on the inside and have a nice roasted flavor. And we'll leave these on here for just a little bit, and then I will rotate them as necessary. Okay, this is the fresh cilantro. I will be doing a rough cut so that we can add this to our cactus salad. And I normally just simply, we don't want to brutalize the herb or the cilantro, so a rough cut is plenty fine because you want to have that nice taste of the cilantro freshly cut. And it's really that simple. So here we are with the roasted tomatoes. This is what I call my ring of fire. It's the ring of fire of tomatoes. And these are just about done. I'll cook them just for a little while longer, but this is how you want them to look. You want them to get them per softness so that they're easier to work with. And after they're done here on the grill, I put them in my little roaster, and I will leave them set there for about 15-20 minutes before I actually make the salsa, the Guatemalan style chirmol. So that's what they go into roaster. Okay, this is the flat meat, simple marinade, soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, kosher salt, to your liking or to your taste. And it marinates very quickly. So this took me about 10 minutes. So I'm going to place it on the grill. So I learned a new trick, and I have a new hero. He's the Turkish chef or barbecuer guy that does a very neat trick with salt. But I learned it in 2 minutes. I thought it would look good. But anyways, thanks to Turkish guy. Got that salt thing down. This is perfect heat for putting these bad boys on the grill. And you can just place them just like so here on the grill, and you place them, set them, and forget about them. They'll cook by themselves, and you'll know when they're completely done is when the pill blows up, basically. It implodes, and then you know they're done. But I'm going to close it down.